Boys and girls, what's up? Another day. It's Thursday though, so that's always good. All right, so today we're still working with parts and wholes, all right? We're working with word problems. So today is March 26th, 2020, all right? I'm gonna show you number one on your assignment for today. Micah has 294 songs stored in his phone, which is 70% of the songs that George has stored in his phone. How many songs are stored on George's phone? All right, so again, I'm going to set up A equals PW, okay? W, whole, P, percent, A, part. All right? So what can I take from this problem? I know Micah has 294 songs, right? And I know I have 70%, but I'm looking for George's phone, okay? So since Micah's songs are only 70% of George's songs, that means that George's songs are the whole, because we're looking for 100%, which is George's... Which is George's amount of songs, okay? So let me see this. I got A, I got 294. That's Micah. Okay? I got P for the percent. I got 70. All right? And I got the whole, which I'm trying to find, because I want to know how many songs that George has, okay? So let me set up my equation. 294 equals 0.7. Remember, I made it 0.7 because I had 70%. I started at the end and I moved 2 to the left. So I got 0.7, okay? Times X. All right? So, of course, you can see the right side of our equation, the 0.7 and the X are multiplying, right? So we have to do inverse, which is what's the opposite of multiplication. All right? If you told me that it's division, I would say absolutely, and I would hand you a ticket. So, golden rule, what you do to one side, you do to the other. So to get my answer, I have to divide 294 by 0.7. All right, so let's set that up. Now, you're looking at this and you're saying, Mr. DeSalvo, what am I doing with this decimal? Why? Boys and girls, what would I tell you? I would tell you that you would have to make it into a whole number. So I just take my decimal point, I move it 1 to the right. All right? Remember, what you do to the outside, you do to the inside, right? So I start here, right? I start at the end of my number, move it 1 to the right. Mr. DeSalvo, what do I do with this blank here? Why? You fill it in with a 0. All right? So now my new problem is 2,940 divided by 7. All right, so let's hit it. 7 into 29, you know that goes 4 times. Okay, let me multiply back to get 28. Okay, 29 minus 28, that's a lovely problem. It's only 1. Okay, now I bring down the 4 and I start all over. 7 into 14, oh, that's lovely. That's only 2. All right, 2 times 7 is 14. 14 minus 14, 0. Okay, I guess still got one more 0 to bring down. But now let me ask you, how many 7s fit into 0? If you tell me 0, then guess what? You're right. 0 times 7 is 0, right? And we got 0. So what does this mean? It means that George has 420 songs stored in his phone. Okay? If you have any questions, please put them in the Google Classroom. All right? Watch the video if you need help. I will be on for most of the day answering your questions, all right? Have a good day, and please be safe.